Chet and Matt's presents The Princess and the Pizza. There once was a princess named Amelia who had been locked in a tower by a witch. The witch left her with nothing to eat but turnips.
Ugh.
Brave knights came from all across the land to save her, but they all fell in the moat and got eaten by alligators. Poor Princess Amelia stayed trapped in the tower for many days and nights, until one day a knight appeared in a peculiar carriage.
"I am here to rescue you, fair princess,"
said the knight.
"I fear you'll be eaten by the alligators like all of the others,"
said the princess.
"Fear not, fair maiden, for I am not your usual knight."
Then he scaled the tower and said,
"I come bearing pizza from Chet and Matt's."
This made Princess Amelia very happy, and they lived happily ever after. The end.
Chet and Matt's Pizza, not your usual.